Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs, cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Bless up with the self, my viewers and subscribers. I don't know, say the attacking boss himself, Mr. NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production, people. Zed, so, the body interested. Subscribe to NEWLINK channel and go ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK channel and go ping. Top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it. Some people. Because of the intro there, or hear the intro. How much of you all take on to the intro? How much of you all subscribe because of the intro? How much of you are like because of the intro? How much of you just fall for the whole intro? I basically fall for the artist himself, Brimstone, but of Mr. Brimstone. Yeah, the artist Brimstone. Talented artist, people. Long time in the business, you understand. Real talent of a lot of music on them belt. My people working so much different studios across Jamaica. Brimstone. But my viewers and subscribers, the artist Brimstone himself, my people, comes and boom, and team up with the artist, my viewers and subscribers. I'm not talking a Jamaican artist, people, but an artist from over there in the United States of America. I'm here telling my viewers and subscribers, the man that comes and boom, and create a song with the same subscribe thing. Zine, and my people, me I tell her the video for this, it's short. It gone. Attack. You know what me I gotta do? Hey boy, NEWLINK, you chat too much. Watch your people. Watch this.
No skip the ads. No skip the ads. No skip the YouTube ads. Watch the ads. Watch the ads. Yet the you. Alright. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Top vloggers. I have a big up each and every top vloggers. Top vloggers. I'm not gonna pick up opposite the top vloggers. No. Top vloggers. I have a big up each and every top vloggers. Top vloggers. You never black to kill nobody, know you build a platform. Subscribe and touch the bell and get notification. The vloggers keep I posting, make I know where I go on. Opposite that top vloggers can refuse this you want. Them fake like fingernail because them fake like.
Well, my viewers and subscribers, that's just a sneak peek of the music video. Zine, a sneak peek of the full song, because I tell you it's a song plus a music video the man them release. And this is just bigging up all the vloggers them and telling the vlogger them to live good, my people. Zine, I can tell them my viewers and subscribers. Zine, more every, interviewer in a Jamaica on stage. Me just wonder and I'll Winford, oh, you not find Brimstone yet. Mr. Winford, you need to link Brimstone. All of them need all of them need to link this man. Because when I talk about creativity in reggae music, in dancehall people, in Jamaica, we have to talk about Brimstone, my people. Because this song of people, this YouTube counteraction song people and the music video, everything is just a joy, people. Meaning say, the little ones can watch it, the middle age can watch it, everybody can watch it, my viewers and subscribers. But you know what NEWLINK I do? I love my viewers and my subscribers. Me, I give you full access to watch the music video. Of course, I'm giving you all people. So, simple. Go below in the description under this video, people. Yeah. See? You can subscribe already to NEWLINK. No, alright. And you will see the link below right down there, people. Just click on the link. Simple. It's going to lead you right over there to Brimstone. You understand? Viva YouTube channel, people. And once you go over there, in the video, you're going to start watch, people. But please remember, subscribe to him YouTube channel, people. Like him video, people. Share him video, people. Because I tell people, creativity at its best. In a time like now, people, we want joy, we want peace, we want love. We don't want crime, we don't want war, we don't want violence, people. This is what we want. Top vloggers, vlogging it. Vlogger for living a peace, vlogger for living a love, vlogger we are one. On stage, ER, every media site, Jamaica, worldwide, USA, Japan, the whole YouTube team, the whole YouTube family. find the artist. And big up to the artist I link up with Brimstone too. And create that one. I mean, not like, it's shot. Vlogging it.